Hello and welcome to day 28 of our Osteoporosis Awareness Challenge. Today we're going to talk about the benefits of Brussels sprouts for bone health. Brussels sprouts have 78 milligrams of calcium in 1 cup of Brussels sprouts, with a bioavailability of close to 64%. In addition to calcium, Brussels sprouts are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Brussels sprouts also have vitamin K, which is beneficial for getting calcium into our bones where it belongs. Brussels sprouts also help to maintain having a healthy blood pressure. They also help reduce inflammation in our bodies, which is a really good thing. Brussels sprouts also tend to be available year-round at the grocery store. When you're shopping for Brussels sprouts, look for Brussels sprouts that are bright green in color and are still firm to the touch. Avoid Brussels sprouts that have yellowing or are a bit mushy. Ways to cook Brussels sprouts include steaming, boiling, roasting, and sautéing. Research shows that water cooking using either steaming or boiling retains the most nutrients in Brussels sprouts. If you're steaming, boiling, or sautéing, cook Brussels sprouts for between 5 and 7 minutes. And if you're oven roasting, plan to cook Brussels sprouts for a longer period of time, closer to 20 minutes. Brussels sprouts don't just have to be eaten as a side. You might try adding them to dishes that you already make. Some foods that you might consider adding Brussels sprouts to include frittatas, risottos, hearty salads, and even casseroles. I personally like Brussels sprouts with a bit of lemon added to them. This brings us to our challenge for today. I invite you to try out a new recipe for Brussels sprouts. I have a recipe for Brussels sprouts with sweet potatoes. Yum! In the video description below. So if you give that recipe a try, let me know how it goes. And on that note, I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.